Welcome to Hospitality TV Rwanda. Today, we dive into the top 5 chefs who are making waves not just in the kitchen, but also in their bank accounts in Rwanda. From world-class restaurants to private catering, these culinary masters have built impressive careers in Rwanda. These aren't your average cooks. These are the heavyweights of the Rwandan culinary scene. They've got the skills, the passion, and the bank accounts to prove it. So get ready to be inspired, get ready to be amazed, and get ready to be bloody starving. Coming in at number 5, we have Chef Iraguha Angelique. This isn't just some chef. This is the first Rwandan woman to rise through the ranks, all the way to senior sous chef in a 5-star lodge. You think that's easy? This industry is tough, but Chef Angelique, she's tougher. She's worked in some of the most luxurious lodges in Rwanda, places like Sabinyo Silverback Lodge, Gorilla's Nest, Bisate Lodge. These are places where the wealthy come to escape. And Chef Angelique, she's the one creating the culinary masterpieces that make them never want to leave. And her current station? Senior sous chef at Singita Kwitanda Lodge. You don't get to that level without blood, sweat, and tears in this business. And her estimated annual earnings? A cool $15,000. That's just the start for a chef with her talent and determination. But let's dive deeper into what makes Chef Angelique truly exceptional. Beyond her impressive resume, Chef Angelique is a mentor to many aspiring chefs in Rwanda. She believes in giving back to the community and often conducts workshops and training sessions for young culinary enthusiasts. Her commitment to using locally sourced ingredients is another hallmark of her cooking philosophy. She works closely with local farmers to ensure that her dishes are not only delicious but also sustainable and supportive of the local economy. Chef Angelique has also represented Rwanda in various international food festivals, showcasing the rich culinary heritage of her country to the world. Her dishes, often a fusion of traditional Rwandan flavors with modern techniques, have won her accolades and admiration from food critics globally. Despite her demanding career, Chef Angelique manages to balance her professional and personal life with grace. She is a loving mother and often credits her family's support as a key factor in her success. Her contributions to the culinary world and her community have not gone unnoticed. Chef Angelique has received numerous awards and recognitions, not just for her culinary skills, but also for her dedication to mentoring and community service. As she continues to break barriers and set new standards in the culinary industry, Chef Iraguha Angelique remains a true inspiration. Her journey is a testament to what can be achieved with passion, hard work, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. So the next time you find yourself enjoying a gourmet meal at one of Rwanda's top lodges, remember the name Chef Iraguha Angelique. She's not just a chef, she's a culinary queen, ruling her kitchen with skill, heart, and an indomitable spirit. At number 4, we have Chef Emmanuel Nyaboshia, but you can call him Chef Emma, everyone else does. Chef Emma is not just a name, it's a brand synonymous with culinary excellence and innovation. His journey in the culinary world is nothing short of extraordinary, marked by relentless passion and an insatiable quest for knowledge. This bloke's CV reads like a culinary Bible. It's a testament to his dedication and hard work, filled with numerous certifications and accolades that highlight his expertise in the kitchen. Each certificate tells a story of a milestone achieved, a skill mastered, and a new culinary frontier conquered. He didn't just learn to cook, he conquered the culinary arts. From mastering the basics to perfecting advanced techniques, Chef Emma's culinary journey is a blend of tradition and innovation. His ability to fuse different culinary styles and techniques sets him apart in the competitive world of gastronomy. Rwanda, Kenya, Switzerland, you name it, he's trained there. His global training has given him a unique perspective on food, allowing him to create dishes that are both diverse and exquisite. Each country he trained in added a new dimension to his culinary repertoire, making him a true global chef. Awards and qualifications practically fall out of his pockets. His trophy cabinet is overflowing with awards that recognize his talent and contribution to the culinary world. These accolades are not just symbols of his success, but also a reflection of his commitment to excellence. A diploma in food production from Kenya? Done. This diploma is just one of the many feathers in his cap, showcasing his comprehensive understanding of food production and management. It's a testament to his ability to excel in both practical and theoretical aspects of culinary arts. Kenya Utali College smashed it in 2008. His time at Kenya Utali College was a turning point in his career, where he honed his skills and gained invaluable knowledge that would shape his future endeavors. His success there is a testament to his hard work and determination. And he didn't stop there. Chef Emma's thirst for knowledge and improvement is unquenchable. He continuously seeks out new opportunities to learn and grow, ensuring that he stays at the forefront of the culinary world. His journey is a continuous loop of learning, applying, and mastering. This is a man who's cooked at the Kigali Serena Hotel, one of the most prestigious hotels in Rwanda. His role there was not just about cooking, but also about setting high standards and leading a team of chefs to deliver exceptional culinary experiences. His time at Kigali Serena Hotel is a highlight of his illustrious career. Led the culinary art department at Rwanda Workforce Development Authority, where he played a crucial role in shaping the future of culinary arts in Rwanda. His leadership and vision have had a lasting impact on the culinary landscape of the country, inspiring many young chefs to follow in his footsteps, and even found time to lecture at UTB, University Tourism and Business. His lectures are not just about teaching recipes, but about imparting wisdom, sharing experiences, and inspiring the next generation of chefs. His role as a lecturer is a testament to his dedication to education and his desire to give back to the community. He's not just a chef, he's a bloody professor of the culinary arts. His knowledge and expertise are unparalleled, and his ability to teach and inspire is what makes him truly exceptional. Chef Emma is a beacon of culinary excellence, guiding aspiring chefs towards their dreams. And his estimated annual earnings? A cool $18,000. While this might seem modest compared to his vast knowledge and experience, it's a reflection of his dedication to his craft rather than a pursuit of wealth. His true wealth lies in the impact he has made on the culinary world and the lives he has touched. But with his knowledge and experience, that's just the tip of the iceberg. Chef Emma's journey is far from over. With his relentless passion and unwavering dedication, the culinary world can expect many more groundbreaking contributions from this extraordinary chef. His story is a testament to what can be achieved with hard work, passion, and a never-ending quest for excellence. Number 3. Chef Ramadan Sindayigaya, the Silverware Slayer. Coming in at number 3, we have Chef Ramadan Sindayigaya, or as we like to call him, the Silverware Slayer. This is a chef who doesn't just cook, he conquers. He's worked in more international hotel chains and restaurants than you've had hot dinners. And the Silver Chef competition in 2018? He didn't just compete, he dominated. First Rwandan to win it? You bet your arse he was. This is a chef who's taking African cuisine and giving it a kick up the backside. Forget your fancy foams and your molecular gastronomy. Chef Ramadan is all about big, bold flavors that'll have you licking your plate clean. And his yearly earnings? An estimated $22,000. But with his talent and ambition, that number's only going to get bigger. Number 2. Chef Meza Malonga, the Empire Builder. At number 2, we have Chef Meza Malonga, and let me tell you, this is a chef who knows how to build an empire. We're not just talking about one restaurant. Oh no, Chef Meza has got his fingers in all sorts of pies. Catering, consultancy, you name it, he's doing it. This is a chef who understands that the culinary world is about more than just cooking. It's about business. It's about branding. It's about building something special. And his multiple revenue streams? They bring in an estimated $30,000 annually. But with his drive and determination, I wouldn't be surprised if he's soon giving those at the top a run for their money. Number 1. Chef Innocent Rutayisire, the Godfather. Coming in at number 1, we have the big cheese, the head honcho, the godfather of Rwandan cuisine, Chef Innocent Rutayisire. This culinary maestro has not only mastered the art of cooking, but has also become a beacon of inspiration for aspiring chefs across the continent. His journey is nothing short of legendary, and his influence is felt far and wide. This legend started his culinary journey back in 1998, and let me tell you, he's been on fire ever since. From the moment he stepped into the kitchen, it was clear that he was destined for greatness. His early days were filled with hard work, dedication, and an unrelenting passion for the culinary arts. He quickly rose through the ranks, earning the respect and admiration of his peers. A diploma from the prestigious Utali College in Kenya? Check. This institution is renowned for producing some of the finest chefs in Africa, and Chef Innocent was no exception. His time at Utali College was marked by rigorous training and a deep dive into the intricacies of culinary techniques. He emerged not just with a diploma, but with a profound understanding of the culinary world. Head chef at the senior officers' mess? Check. This role was a testament to his exceptional skills and leadership qualities. Managing a kitchen that served high-ranking military officials was no small feat, but Chef Innocent handled it with grace and precision. His ability to deliver top-notch meals under pressure further solidified his reputation as a culinary genius. Catering manager for the bloody United Nations in Khartoum? Check and check. This position took his career to an international level, showcasing his talent on a global stage. Coordinating large-scale events for the UN required meticulous planning and execution, and Chef Innocent excelled in every aspect. His ability to cater to diverse palates and dietary needs made him an invaluable asset. This is a chef who's done it all and seen it all. From humble beginnings to international acclaim, Chef Innocent's journey is a testament to his resilience and unwavering commitment to his craft. He's worked in a variety of settings, each experience adding a new layer to his culinary expertise. His adaptability and versatility are what set him apart from the rest. He's worked at the Serena Hotel, King Faisal Hospital, and since 2016, he's been holding court at the Kigali Marriott Hotel. These prestigious establishments have benefited immensely from his expertise. At the Kigali Marriott, Chef Innocent has elevated the dining experience to new heights, consistently delivering culinary masterpieces that leave guests in awe. But Chef Innocent isn't just about cooking, he's about giving back. His commitment to nurturing the next generation of chefs is truly commendable. He regularly conducts workshops and training sessions, sharing his wealth of knowledge and experience. His mentorship has been instrumental in shaping the careers of many young chefs who look up to him as a role model. He's helped develop Rwanda's culinary arts curriculum, trained countless chefs, and even acts as an assessor for the African cooking competition. His contributions to the culinary education system have had a lasting impact, ensuring that future chefs are well equipped with the skills and knowledge they need to succeed. His role as an assessor also highlights his commitment to maintaining high standards in the industry. This is a man who lives and breathes food, and his passion is contagious. Whether he's in the kitchen, teaching a class, or judging a competition, his enthusiasm is palpable. His love for food is evident in every dish he creates, and it's this passion that has earned him a loyal following. People are drawn to his energy and his unwavering dedication to his craft. And his estimated annual income? A cool $35,000. While this figure is impressive, it's a reflection of his hard work and the value he brings to the table. His financial success is a testament to his skills, reputation, and the high demand for his services. But for Chef Innocent, it's not just about the money. It's about the love of the craft and the joy of creating unforgettable culinary experiences. But frankly, with his experience and influence, he could charge double and still be fully booked. The demand for his culinary creations is so high that people are willing to pay a premium just to experience his food. His reputation precedes him, and his name alone is enough to draw crowds. Chef Innocent Rutayisire is not just a chef, he's a culinary icon, a mentor, and a true ambassador of Rwandan cuisine. These talented chefs are not just cooking meals, they're building empires and putting Rwanda on the global culinary map. They're proving that with passion, dedication, and a whole lot of talent, you can achieve anything in the culinary world. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Hospitality TV Rwanda for more amazing content. See you in the next video.